Mars, often called the Red Planet, is a fascinating world that has captivated human imagination for centuries. Its reddish appearance comes from iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. Mars is home to the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which stands about 13.6 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. The planet also boasts the largest canyon, Valles Marineris, stretching over 2,500 miles long and up to 7 miles deep. Mars has seasons like Earth, thanks to its axial tilt, but they last about twice as long due to its longer orbit around the Sun. The atmosphere is thin, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, making it challenging for humans to breathe. However, recent discoveries of water ice at the poles and signs of ancient riverbeds suggest that Mars once had conditions suitable for life. Exploration missions, like NASA's Perseverance rover, are currently searching for signs of past microbial life and collecting samples for future return to Earth. With plans for human missions on the horizon, Mars continues to be a key focus in our quest to understand the universe and our place within it.